What up? Chris here. So in this video, it's going to be real short. I'm going to show you that Canva has a desktop app. I don't know if you knew, but it has a desktop app, so no more million tabs at the top. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to share with you guys one of my favorite tools for anything when it comes to image creation or presentations or designs, and it is Canva. Now the thing is this, most people use Canva in their browser and don't even know that there's a desktop app. Like you could just, instead of opening up, if you're like me, like I'm gonna be honest, this right now, I got one tab. That is not how I use my browser. I usually have 20 to 30 tabs open at all times. But if you want to get away from the clutter and get away from the distractions and be able to stay focused and dialed in, you're gonna want to download Canva for your desktop. So real simple, you're gonna get to the canva.com site. You're gonna go to features. I'm on Windows, so I'm gonna click on Canva for Windows. Download that bad boy. And when it comes to loading it up, it's gonna look just like this. Similar design, clean, simple. What's really dope here is that if I'm going to click on this design, it's going to open a whole new tab in and of itself in the top left corner. And then from there, I can go to another tab, open this bad boy up. And if I got this right and understanding Canva the way it works, is I could copy this design from this tab. I'll do add page and paste that bad boy in this design. So simple as that. It's easy for you to work from one design to the next and just kind of going there. And the downloads option is the exact same. You click download, choose the file format you want to have. If you want transparent background, no transparent background, which image, and then click download. And what's going to happen, the actual difference here is that when you come to downloading it, you're going to get to put in that file name as you want. So like that video I mentioned before, if you get to plug in the file name, it's literally a gray bean, so I'm going to call this gray bean. Yeah, spelled bean properly. Save, and boom, done. Simple as that. So again, if you're a big lover of Canva like I am, leverage that bad boy on desktop. Helps you stay focused, dialed in, and distractions free. So once again, these are one of the few tips to help you kind of, well, it's not going to really help you rank better, but it's going to help you improve your work process and your workflow, which is optimal just making better use of your time. So either way, thanks again for rocking with me. Stay tuned for the next video. You have yourself an awesome rest of the day. Peace out.